How do you check your grades on Blackboard and read the feedback that I provide? You go, first of all, to My Grades over on the left menu. I've selected, there's different tabs at the top. You can look at all and see it. You can look at graded, which might be easier. If you look at upcoming, you won't see the graded assignments. I'm going to go to graded. So my instructor graded my web conferencing. This was my grade, and there is feedback. So I select the blue bubble, and now I can read the feedback that my instructor provided. And then I will close that. And that's how you look at the feedback. And each time that I grade, I do provide feedback. If there's a rubric associated, you can look at the rubric and as well from this place. So, happy learning.